friends, today we're going to draw falling friends.
We hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We're using our markers to draw and color with.
Or you can use whatever you have.
Yeah, and also remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Both of our drawings didn't turn out exactly the same, but they both turned out awesome. The most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's draw our first friend over here on the left. And we're gonna draw the acorn first. So let's draw the bottom of the acorn. I'm gonna draw, it looks like a letter U, but I'm gonna also draw a little, well, I was trying to draw a little point down here at the bottom, but it didn't quite work out what I was planning. Yeah, that looks better with a little point. And I like how little he is too. Okay, now let's draw his little hat for the, I don't know what this is called, the shell? The top.
I don't even know. The stem?
Yeah, the stem and also the little top, this thing.
Yeah.
We're gonna draw a big curve that goes around. His little hat. Yes, and then we'll draw the stem. We're gonna draw it curving out, and I'm gonna draw another curve coming up to the left, and then we can connect them at the top. There's our acorn. Now let's draw a little funny face. I'm gonna draw it super happy. It's just a straight line first, but then I'm gonna draw a big happy mouth. And then we can draw the teeth on top. And our friends, you guys can change the funny face. It doesn't have to be the same as us. Okay, and then we can also draw the other side of the mouth, and then let's color in the open part. Okay, now let's add eyes. I'm gonna draw a circle and another circle. I'm kind of not really happy. It looks like he's just yelling.
Yeah.
But maybe it's because they're falling. And then we can draw a little highlight for a circle in the top left of each eye. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Okay, now on this side, let's draw the other friend, and we're gonna draw a leaf. But this time, let's draw the face first. And I'm gonna make this one happier, or yeah, smiling more. And then we could also draw this one open, but I'm gonna draw it different. And we could draw teeth at the top and maybe a tongue at the bottom. And then let's color in the middle shape. Okay, and then we could also add a circle for the eye on both sides. And then we can repeat that same step by adding the highlight or the little circle and then coloring in the big circle. Yeah, you can add eyelashes. It's always cute. And our friends, you could change your drawings and add different details too. Okay, next, let's add the outline for the leaf. Let's start up here right above the eyes, and we're gonna draw two curves coming up from right above the eye. Then we can draw a short curve or diagonal coming back in. And then we'll draw an upside down curved letter V for the top. Yeah, there's the first part of the leaf. Now let's draw the side coming out on both sides to match. And then we're gonna come back down. Then a short diagonal line out. And a big curve coming back in. We're getting close to the very bottom of the leaf. And then another diagonal line coming back out. And then we can connect down here. I'm gonna draw a little bump in the middle. Yes. Okay, now let's draw the little stem coming down from the leaf. So two curves. I'm drawing them kind of long, and then we're gonna draw the bottom we're connecting. Now let's also draw them holding hands. We could draw two diagonal lines coming together. This is gonna make them friends. And then we could also add a circle in between and then color it in. So it looks like, yeah, they're holding hands. And then we could draw another arm coming out on this side and one coming out here. And then we could also draw a little thumb and some fingers. And same thing over here, thumb and some fingers. We did it. We finished our fall friends, except we still need to...
Color them.
Yes, this part will fast forward. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring our falling friends, or fall friends. Wait, they are falling. That makes it
And
even
they're
better.
fall.
Yeah, and fall.
Yeah.
And I also like that one looks scared and the other one looks happy or having fun.
He still looks happy.
Okay, but it is nice to have a friend that tells you that everything's gonna be okay and holds your hand, because sometimes life is scary.
He'll like glide down because he's holding on to them.
Yeah, he'll soften the fall.
Yeah.
Yeah, or she will. You can match our same coloring.
Or color it differently.
Yeah, and we also added little extra details like the lines going through the leaf and also the texture on the acorn's hat.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing falling friends.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And we also want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. We're super grateful for them.
Yes.
And that we're going to take a small break over the weekend. So we'll be back on, what day did we say?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.